Some of the best startup ideas die because the people who invent them don't have the time to build them. Today, I'm giving away 3 massive startup ideas. I don't have the time to code these, but if you do, they will fill your empty pockets. Let's dive in. Developers, listen up. If you build this, creators will gladly make you rich. Idea number 1, the Systematic Creativity app. People think creativity is magic. It's not. Creativity doesn't exist, systems exist. Creativity is just discovering the one working combination out of thousands. Every creative work has fundamental parts. Take drawing. What do you draw on? What do you draw with? And how do you do it? If you swap these basic parts with related objects, you get pure innovation. Everyone drew on paper, then someone swapped it for a wall and paint. Boom, street art was born. Imagine a software where a creator inputs their problem, and the system mathematically swaps the variables to generate thousands of combinations, filtering out the bad ones to give them the next big idea. Build this, solve creative blocks, and get paid. Have you ever done a repetitive task, like cutting tied strings in a garden or packing boxes, and your mind just wanders, making you miss half of them? But if someone told you, there are exactly 500 strings, and you just perfectly cut 120, your brain would instantly lock in. Idea number 2, the Gamified labor tracker. When people do manual labor, their brain goes on autopilot. This is a computer vision app that tracks physical tasks through a phone camera and turns the shift into a video game. It counts your progress and whispers in your ear, "You are in the top 5% of speed today." It feeds the brain dopamine, stops fatigue, and cuts human error to 0. Huge companies will pay a fortune for this efficiency. Idea number 3, Aero-Biophilic skyscrapers. Here is the architectural hack. Leave every 4th floor completely empty of glass and walls. Just structural pillars and green trees. This creates a high-altitude wind corridor that naturally cools the city. But who pays for an empty floor? The building owner. Why? Because the aerodynamic cooling reduces the skyscraper's HVAC, air conditioning, electricity costs by millions of dollars a year. Plus, governments offer massive tax breaks and carbon credits for this exact type of green infrastructure. It pays for itself. It completely changes urban infrastructure while creating floating parks for workers. These solutions are waiting to be built. If you have the skills, steal these ideas and build them. If not, tag a developer, an architect, or your government in the comments and tell them to wake up and make it happen. Right now, I am making these videos with limited resources, but if you support this channel by subscribing and sharing, it allows me to dedicate my full time to researching and producing even deeper, high-quality cinematic breakdowns of million-dollar ideas for you. Support the vision, subscribe, and let's build the future together.